Hi guys, welcome to a quick video. I'm currently self-isolating, following guidelines like we all should during this global pandemic. And I'd like to use some of that time to make some content for the YouTube channel. Now, I'd like to start with some Q&A videos. So rather than going live, which I don't unfortunately have access to the equipment to do that at the moment, some of that's at the studio, which I can't get to, I'm going to do some pre-recorded Q&A videos. So my question to you is, do you have any questions or topics that you'd like discussed about photography, about the creative industry, even what's happening in the world today relating to photography is open for discussion. So post your questions in the comments below, and over the next, I think it's 10 days self-isolation, if I can talk, that I have remaining, I will record some Q&A videos to answer some of those questions for you. Now, I will also be going live this Wednesday evening, hopefully, all going well, using my phone into Facebook Live. And that will be shared out from my own personal account on Facebook, but shared to the Facebook group and also the Facebook page as well. And that's going to be an open live broadcast where we can just talk about anything, again, photography related and what have you. So hopefully see you there as well. But in the meantime, drop your comments and questions below and I will get to making some videos to answer those, be them Q&A, demos if I can. Bear in mind I've limited access to gear and no access to the studio at the moment over the next week or so. Thanks for watching guys. Stay safe. See you soon.